Fenugreek, an aromatic plant with a plethora of benefits, has been valued in traditional medicine for centuries. It's a wonderful herb that not only adds a distinctive flavor to dishes, but also packs a powerful punch of health benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance breast milk production, alleviate menstrual cramps, find relief from menopause symptoms, increase your butt size, achieve glowing skin, or stimulate hair growth, fenugreek might just be the magical ingredient you need. Let's dive into the fascinating world of fenugreek and discover how it can transform your health and beauty regimes. Backed by both anecdotal evidence and scientific research. Before trying any of the remedies or tips discussed in our videos, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying medical conditions. Natural remedies like fenugreek can offer significant benefits, but they may also interact with medications or affect health conditions in unexpected ways. A healthcare professional can help you understand if a particular remedy is safe and effective for your specific health needs. Always prioritize safety and ensure that your path to natural health supplements complements any medical treatments you may be undergoing. Your well-being is paramount, and informed decisions are key to effective care. 1. Boosts breast milk production and increases breast size. Fenugreek has been lauded for its ability to naturally enhance breast milk production in lactating women. Anecdotal evidence abounds, with countless mothers swearing by fenugreek's effectiveness. Scientifically, fenugreek is believed to increase breast milk production due to its phytoestrogen content, which mimics the effects of estrogen. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that fenugreek supplementation significantly increased breast milk production compared to a placebo. Fenugreek is often discussed for its potential effects on breast size due to its phytoestrogen content. Phytoestrogens are plant-based compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Since estrogen plays a key role in the development and maintenance of female characteristics, including breast size, it's theorized that substances like fenugreek that contain phytoestrogens might influence breast tissue growth. Fenugreek has been used in various traditional medicine systems for a range of purposes, including enhancing breast milk production and as a general tonic for women's health, making it a dual-purpose herb for women looking to enhance their femininity naturally. 2. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps can be debilitating, but fenugreek offers a natural remedy. It contains compounds that are known to possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it an effective solution for easing menstrual pain. Women who have incorporated fenugreek into their diets often report a significant reduction in the severity of their cramps. Research supports these claims, with a study highlighting fenugreek's ability to reduce the intensity and duration of menstrual cramps thanks to its muscle-relaxing or antispasmodic properties. 3. Offers menopause symptom relief. Menopause can bring about a host of uncomfortable symptoms, but fenugreek might offer some relief. Its phytoestrogen content helps balance hormones, potentially easing hot flashes, mood swings, and night sweats. A clinical trial revealed that fenugreek extract significantly improved quality of life measures for menopausal women, including reducing hot flashes and night sweats, underscoring its potential as a natural alternative to hormone replacement therapy. 4. Derriere enlargement. For those looking to enhance their curves, fenugreek could be a surprising ally. Its ability to mimic estrogen not only affects breast tissue, but can also contribute to a fuller, more voluptuous butt. Anecdotal reports often mention fenugreek as a secret ingredient for butt enlargement, with some users noticing improvements within weeks of consistent use. While scientific research directly linking fenugreek to butt enlargement is limited, its overall effects on feminine curves are supported by its hormonal balancing properties. 5. Promotes glowing skin. Fenugreek is a powerhouse for skin health, thanks to its rich composition of vitamins and antioxidants. It's known to combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production, leading to healthier, glowing skin. Anecdotal evidence suggests that applying fenugreek topically or consuming it can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and radiance. Studies have confirmed its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, making it beneficial for treating acne and other skin conditions. 6. Reduces hair loss and stimulates hair growth. The benefits of fenugreek extend to hair health, with the herb being a popular remedy for reducing hair loss and stimulating hair growth. Its high content of proteins and nicotinic acid bolsters hair growth, while lecithin, a natural emollient, provides moisture to the hair, making it healthier and stronger. Numerous users report significant reductions in hair fall and improved hair density with regular fenugreek use. Research supports these claims, showing that fenugreek seed extract can effectively stimulate hair growth and reduce hair shedding. To reap these incredible benefits, here are 5 easy ways to incorporate fenugreek into your diet. 1. Add to smoothies. Blend fenugreek seeds or powder into your daily smoothies for a healthful punch. When adding fenugreek to smoothies, choosing ingredients that can mask its slightly bitter taste while enhancing the overall flavor profile is key. For a tasty and nutritious way to include fenugreek in your diet, blend it into smoothies with complementary ingredients like mango and coconut, blueberries and spinach, apples and cinnamon, or chocolate and peanut butter to effectively mask its bitterness and enhance the overall taste. Smoothies offer an easy, nutritious, and delicious way to consume fenugreek, especially for nursing mothers, ensuring that they can benefit from its potential lactation-enhancing properties while also enjoying a healthy snack. 2. Fenugreek water. To make fenugreek water, rinse 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole fenugreek seeds and soak them overnight in 250 milliliters of water, allowing the seeds to release their nutrients. The next morning, strain and drink the infused water on an empty stomach, adding honey or lemon juice to taste if desired. This simple beverage is believed to aid digestion, support blood sugar control, enhance lactation, and offer detoxifying benefits when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Its preparation is straightforward and can be easily integrated into daily routines, providing a natural way to tap into the health benefits of fenugreek. 3. Fenugreek tea. To prepare fenugreek tea, crush a teaspoon of whole fenugreek seeds and steep them in a cup of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, adjusting the time based on your preferred strength. Strain the seeds out and, if desired, enhance the flavor with honey, lemon, or cinnamon to mitigate the natural bitterness of fenugreek. Consuming this tea in the morning on an empty stomach or before meals can leverage its benefits for digestion, blood sugar management, and possibly lactation enhancement, along with its anti-inflammatory properties. However, moderation is key to avoid potential side effects. 4. Sprouted seeds added to salad. To sprout fenugreek seeds, rinse and soak a 1/4 cup of seeds overnight in water, then drain and place them in a jar covered with a cheesecloth, keeping them moist and at an angle for proper drainage and air circulation. Rinse the seeds several times a day until sprouts appear, typically within 1 to 3 days. Fenugreek sprouts, with their slightly bitter taste and crunchy texture, can be added to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or stir-fries, offering a nutritious boost rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's essential to ensure the sprouts are thoroughly washed before consumption and stored properly to avoid bacterial contamination, enhancing dishes with their unique flavor and health benefits while maintaining food safety. 5. Adding the powder to curry dishes. Adding fenugreek to curries is an excellent way to infuse dishes with its distinctive flavor and nutritional benefits. Begin by tempering fenugreek seeds in hot oil to release their aromatic essence, or add powdered seeds directly to your curry paste for a subtler flavor. For a fragrant touch, sprinkle crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves towards the end of cooking. Whether incorporated into a robust lentil curry, a savory chicken tikka masala, or a vibrant vegetable stir-fry, fenugreek enriches the dish with its unique taste while contributing to health benefits. However, its potent flavor requires a careful hand. Start with a small quantity and adjust to your preference, allowing the fenugreek's character to complement rather than dominate the curry, thereby enhancing both its taste and nutritional value without overwhelming the palate. The best method depends on your specific health or beauty goal. For boosting breast milk production and alleviating menstrual cramps, drinking fenugreek tea or water might provide the quickest absorption and results. For skin and hair benefits, incorporating fenugreek powder into your diet through smoothies or curries can provide the necessary nutrients from the inside out. Additionally, for hair health and growth, fenugreek seeds can be utilized by creating a nourishing hair mask or a revitalizing hair rinse. For the mask, soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and mix with ingredients like coconut oil or yogurt for added moisture. Apply this paste to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for up to an hour before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Alternatively, a fenugreek water rinse can be made by soaking the seeds overnight and using the strained water as a final rinse after shampooing. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, fenugreek helps in promoting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and imparting a natural shine to your hair. Always conduct a patch test to ensure no allergic reaction occurs, especially if your skin is sensitive. For its multiple skincare benefits, fenugreek can be easily incorporated into your routine. For a brightening and exfoliating face mask, create a paste from soaked and ground fenugreek seeds mixed with yogurt and honey and apply it to your face for 20 minutes before rinsing. Alternatively, fenugreek-infused water, made by soaking the seeds overnight, serves as an excellent hydrating toner that can help combat acne and signs of aging. For direct skin moisturization, fenugreek seeds can be infused in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, strained and applied to the skin to alleviate dryness, reduce inflammation, and aid in healing blemishes. Always perform a patch test to avoid potential allergic reactions. And with regular use, fenugreek can significantly enhance skin texture, reduce acne, and promote a healthy glow. Fenugreek is not just a culinary herb, but a versatile natural remedy that addresses a wide range of health and beauty concerns. Its anecdotal and scientific backing highlights its effectiveness, making it a valuable addition to anyone's wellness routine. Whether you're seeking to enhance your physical appearance or alleviate discomforts, fenugreek offers a natural, holistic approach to improving your quality of life. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the incredible health and beauty benefits of fenugreek. If you found this information enlightening and wish to enrich your life and that of your friends and loved ones with natural remedies, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Share this video to spread the word about the wonders of fenugreek and how it can transform your health and beauty routines. Don't forget to subscribe to Herbal Bag, your go-to source for all things related to medicinal herbs from around the globe. We're committed to bringing you more videos that explore the powerful benefits of nature's pharmacy. See you in the next video.